I'm at Borneo right now, investigating the biodiversity of different land uses. I'm doing it by recording the soundscape, so the sounds of the rainforest. So we're placing these sound recorders across the forest, recording both day and night to see what kind of animals exist there. So we look at different land uses, so both plantations, so oil palm and eucalyptus, and also then the restored site that SLU has been working on, and then we compare that to old growth forest as well to see if there's a difference and if it's possible to restore the biodiversity that we hope to find in the old growth, the pristine forest.